Hey, welcome back everyone. I am Ishan Sharma, and in today's video I want to talk to you about Hacktoberfest. A lot of you guys messaged me saying that how can I get started with open source development, what is Git, what is GitHub, and all of these things. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is an amazing festival of open source coming up. It starts from October 1st, and we'll be talking about what Hacktoberfest is, what can you do with Hacktoberfest, what do you get, and all of these things we'll be discussing in this video. So make sure that you watch it till the very end, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's get started. Alright, so basically Hacktoberfest is an event in which they want to encourage people to contribute to open source repositories as much as possible. Okay, repositories are basically like projects available on GitHub in which you can suggest a change and you can upgrade their code, so as to say. And when you do that, they will accept that request of yours. Okay, so you can just say that we can probably adjust this feature a little bit and we can change this up a little bit. When you do that, and if they can accept it, this becomes a request that is merged. Okay, it's called a pull request that gets merged into the repository. And when that happens, this means that you have finally successfully contributed to your first open source repository. And if you can just do 4 of these merges, 4 of these pull requests, you end up winning the Hacktoberfest leaderboard, you can call it. Okay, basically once you do these 4 pull requests, you end up getting a limited edition t-shirt from Hacktoberfest for free. It's completely free. You just need to enter your details of your address and they will deliver it to your house. Okay, so this is what you get. You also end up getting a lot of stickers, and you will also be getting DigitalOcean credits. All right, so that's about the event. Now let's actually go into the laptop and let me show you how can you register, how can you get started, and all of these things we'll be discussing. This video is especially meant for all the college students out there that recently joined college or are in their second year or third year. So I'll be guiding you through exactly how to get started with Hacktoberfest. So I hope you'll enjoy that. And yeah, this is really exciting. Last year also this event was organized and I was not able to participate. So this year I definitely want to just participate and see if I can fulfill the 4 pull requests and get the t-shirt. Also, there is an option for you to plant a tree. Okay, so there are 2 options that you get once you complete 4 pull requests. You can either get your limited edition t-shirt for free, or you can actually plant a tree. And then when you click on plant a tree, they themselves will plant a tree for you on your behalf. Okay, so this is pretty much how it happens. Now let's go on to the laptop. Alright everyone, so let's just get started with searching Hacktoberfest. It's actually already there. So Hacktoberfest 2020 represented by DigitalOcean. Okay, so DigitalOcean is sponsoring this event, and as you can see, this has an amazing looking website. Hacktoberfest 2020, support online source and pick a limited edition t-shirt or plant a tree. Which of these is more exciting to you? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, let's just see what all is here. So they have an amazing video which you can watch. Event details, this is completely open to everyone, and it's only limited to repositories hosted on GitHub. Okay, so that's what you need to keep in mind, and you have to submit 4 merged pull requests. Okay, 4 pull requests you have to do anytime between 1st October and 31st October. Alright, now let's actually take a look at the rules for this particular event. Okay, so you have to, if you want to get to win this, and if you want the Hacktoberfest tea, or you want to plant a tree, so as to say, you just have to go on GitHub and you have to submit pull requests to any public repository on GitHub. Okay, and these have to make sense. You cannot just put in a comma, or you just don't have to, you can't just put in anything and just submit. If the maintainer reports it as spam, you will get, like, you won't be able to participate in the complete event. Basically that's what it means. Okay, and this year the first 75,000 participants will be getting the Hacktoberfest tea. Okay, so there is a huge opportunity for you to get this t-shirt. It looks pretty cool. You also get the stickers and the credits from DigitalOcean itself. You can also take a look at the participation details to learn more about this. I'll link the complete website in the description and you can check it out over there. You can take a look at this. There's a lot over here that you can unpack. All right, and also make sure that you do not spam your pull requests on random public GitHub repositories. So keep that in mind. Okay, if you are a beginner, you should definitely go to this and start watching these videos. They'll be talking about what Git is, what GitHub is, how can you create your first pull requests, all of those things related to open source development. Introduction to open source series, it's quite amazing. Also, if you want to learn open source development about Git and GitHub, there's actually a better way for you to do this. You can simply just go to YouTube and you can just search Coding Train. This is actually a YouTube channel. I really enjoy watching the videos, and you can just go for GitHub or Git itself, right? So you can learn about what Git is and what GitHub is. Okay, 11 videos. These are really fun. I really enjoyed these videos. You should definitely consider taking a look at this YouTube channel and the videos. I'll link it in the description. Okay, so do check these out. I really enjoyed. Look at this, cloning repository and push pull. Okay, so this will be really helpful when you are doing your pull requests for the Hacktoberfest event. Okay, so this is how you can learn Git and GitHub. Then we can also just take a look at what is written over here. There's actually a lot of things that you can look at in this website. So I would highly encourage all of you to take a look at the resources over here. And also you can just go over here. Here you can also just take a look at all the events that will be happening during Hacktoberfest. Okay, so as you can see, they have a lot of events coming up. These events will pretty much be about open source. Okay, so Hacktoberfest, and as you can see in India also, you can see Delhi, India, Hyderabad, India, Gurgaon, India, Madurai. Okay, so they have multiple events that are being held. There's an online meetup, Encrypt. I think there are multiple hackathons as well that are organized. Really amazing stuff. I would highly recommend all of you to check out Hacktoberfest. Really amazing for me. And there are many places in which these meetups are being held, powered by GirlScript as well. So this is looking really nice. All right, so now that you have a basic idea about what Hacktoberfest is, let's just click on Start Hacking. Okay, so when you do that, you can just click on sign in with GitHub, and let's just wait. And as you can see, basically I had already logged into my GitHub account, so it automatically registered. And here I can just click on my preferred email, and then I can just go ahead with the role that applies to me, and I'm just a participant, and I can click my country to be India. All right, India. And yeah, all right, let's just click on Start Hacking. And this is one way that you can register for this event. And as you can see, it says you haven't made any pull requests yet. So starting from 1st of October, you can start making pull requests, and once you have 4 pull requests, you can get yourself a t-shirt. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you will be getting a t-shirt or you will be planting a tree. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I will be making some live streams, I guess, just contributing to open source. So if that's something that you want to see, let me know in the comments as well. This is an amazing event. All of you should try it out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also you can follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.